Do you want to start growing your local business through low-budget online marketing strategies? Well, it's more simple than you think. Watch this video to find out how you can better attract local customers in your area using online marketing. Hi guys, I'm Mallory Graham of MalloryGraham.com. For marketing and small business advice, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so you can get notified when I post a brand new video every Tuesday. If you've been relying on the old ways of marketing and realizing that they're just not working for you anymore, by the end of this video, you'll know 5 simple and affordable strategies that you can use to grow your local business through online marketing. If you think it's time to start using online marketing to attract more local customers to your business, then keep on watching. The first strategy I have for you is to make sure that you are making the most of and optimizing your Google listing. The reason you want to make sure that your Google listing is up to date and optimized is because a lot of people are looking for your business and trying to find your services exclusively on Google. A lot of people are typing their questions into Google to find businesses like yours, and if you're not on Google, then your competitors are, and customers are going to go to them instead of you. So you want to make sure that you have either claimed your business or you have submitted your business to Google so that they can send you a postcard and you will have your listing up to date in no time. This is very easy to do. You just go to google.com/business and the steps are right in front of you. When you submit your business information, Google will send you a postcard to verify that your business is legitimate and that you are actually where you say you are. If you guys are already on Google My Business, then that's great. Please share a link to your Google My Business listing in the comments below, and that way I can go and check it out. My second strategy for you to attract more local customers to your business is to utilize location keywords in your SEO. The reason you want to be using location keywords throughout your website is this way Google will pick up on your keywords that are relevant to the location where your target customers are searching. You want to make sure that you have the address of your business in every single page of your website. The way that you can do this is simply by putting the address in the footer of your website. You also want to have your location in your contact page, your about page, and any other relevant pages that pertain to where you're located. Another way you can utilize location keywords in your SEO is to optimize your page titles based on your location. For example, if you have a print shop out of Toronto, you want to include Toronto in the page titles of as many pages that are relevant to your location as possible. This will tell Google that your location is that much more important to the search results because you're putting it in the title of your page. If you're using a website builder or a platform like WordPress, there are tons of plugins that can help you out with location-based SEO or just SEO in general. The third strategy I have for you for attracting more local customers to your business is to make sure that you have links on all of the relevant chambers of commerce in your area. This will ensure that you are visible on other websites that are relevant to the local business community, generating links to your website from local newspapers for events that you're putting on or an article that you've asked them to write or that you've contributed to in some way can not only really help your SEO in general, but it can also really help how local customers can find you based on those location settings that Google reads so highly. If there are location-based Facebook groups that your business can be a part of, participating in those groups can definitely affect the backlink traffic that comes back to your website. The fourth strategy for attracting more local customers to your business is through reviews. Reviews have become a major way that consumers decide on whether to choose one business over another. The simplest way to generate more reviews from your customers is to simply just ask them. Reviews are very important for attracting customers to your business who haven't been there before. Also, when they're comparing you to a competitor in your local area, Your reviews are highly valuable and will determine whether they go with your business or not. How many reviews do you have for your business? Please share how many reviews you have for your local business in the comments below. You want to make sure that your customers feel like they're heard and appreciated for a positive review. So if someone leaves a positive review, you want to be sure to thank them. And if someone leaves a negative review, you want to be sure to deal with that problem and thank them for being honest, because that's not always an easy thing to do. My fifth strategy for attracting more local customers to your small business is through Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a really powerful way to attract local customers to your small business at a very affordable price. If you have any budget to work with, then Facebook ads is definitely where I would put that money. Social media advertisements for local business is a seriously underpriced opportunity that not enough small businesses take advantage of. Have you tried using Facebook ads to attract more local customers within your geographical area to your business? If you have, comment below with yes. If you haven't, comment below with no. So now you know exactly how you could start attracting more local customers to your business using online marketing. Are you wanting a more detailed understanding of digital marketing? Well, I've created a step-by-step process within my digital marketing guide that is available at the link below for free download. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button below, subscribe, comment with what you liked about it, also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.